Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another smoothie recipe with you. I hope you are all well. If you're new here, I'm Kayi and I share easy, quick and healthy recipes on this channel. So without taking too much of your time, let's get started. I will show you now all the ingredients you're going to need to make this smoothie. We're going to need 1 banana, a piece of ginger, 3 dates, but you can use sugar or honey, 2 cups of oats, and some mixed fruits. Let's look into the health benefits of banana. Banana improves digestion, reduces stress, and is also very good for our skin and hair. To find out about the health benefits of dates, you need to check out my previous video, and you can see we have blueberries here and some other fruits. Now I'm going in with 2 cups of oats, and again I will link another video in the description box if you are interested in finding more about the health benefits of oats. Now it's time to add the mixed fruits followed by the banana. I'm using 1 in this case, but you can use more than 1 if you wish to. If you are enjoying today's recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up and keep watching. Now I'm going in with 1 spoon of protein powder. It's time now to add my yogurt. I'm using plain Greek yogurt, but feel free to use any yogurt of your choice. Roughly 2 tablespoons of yogurt. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for your continuous support. You guys know how much I love your comments, so keep them coming. If you know of any health benefits of any ingredients I'm using right now, feel free to drop that in the comment section. I love ginger in my smoothies, so I add a piece of ginger. Now I'm going in with the dates. If you don't like dates, feel free to use honey or brown sugar. I'm going in now with almond milk. Again, feel free to use any milk of your choice. And after that, I'm just going to cover this properly, close it, and give it a good blend, because I love my smoothies very, very smooth. And you can see we are almost there. If you love having smoothies as breakfast, let me know in the comment section. And there you have it. This is our pink smoothie, so ready. And I'm going to just enjoy this before starting my day. Let me tell you a little bit about my toppings. You don't have to add any, but I like adding toppings always. So I'm going in now with a little bit, just a little bit of seed, okay? And today I'm using lean seeds. Lean seeds improve cholesterol levels. It also lowers blood pressure and improves digestion and weight management. So that's the reason why I like using linseed as topping when I'm having some smoothies. But you can use as well pumpkin seeds. That is also going to be good if you love pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. If that is the case, kindly give this video a thumbs up, try this recipe, and let me know in the comment section what you think. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.